Today I shall start exercise 5.3, question number 3 of 6 part. Okay. In an AP, A equal to 2, D equal to 8 and Sn equal to 90. Now detect N and An. Okay. N means number of turns, An means the last term of the AP. Now Sn equal to 90. So write down the formula of Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. It is the general formula of sum of the n terms. Now n by 2, now put the values of a and d here. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. Now among these two you take common 2. These 2 and 8. 8 means 2 into 4. So I have taken common 2. And what remains in bracket? 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. Because 8 is divisible by 2 and here this is 2. So I have taken common 2 equal to 90. Now 2 cancel. What remains? N. N into 2 plus break the bracket 4n minus 4 equal to 90. So n 4n minus 2 equal to 90. Now again you take common 2. 2 into n, 2n minus 1 equal to 90. And here 90 is divisible by 2. So n 2n minus 1 equal to 45. Because 45 into 2, 90. This 90 is divided by this 2. So here 45. Now 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. So I have, by using the prime factorization method, I have done here. 2n, now look here, 2 into 45, 90. So by which two numbers 90 be splitted as that product is 90 and plus or minus is 1. So 10 into 9, 10 into 9, 90 and 10 minus 9, 1. So 2n square minus, using bracket I have done it because here is minus sign. So 10n minus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Now break the bracket. 2n square minus 10n minus plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Now take common 2n. So n minus 5 plus 9 is the common between these two. So n minus 5 in bracket. So n minus 5 is the common factor which I have taken in one bracket. And now 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Now listen, here are two factors n minus 5 and 2n plus 9. If we take 2n plus 9 0, then the value of n will be negative. So it is not possible. So I have not taken this factor is 0. Okay. Now only n minus 5 I have taken 0 and n equal to 5. Because the value of n must be positive because it is a natural number. Okay. So n equal to 5. This is the answer. And second thing, B, it is also said what is the value of n means nth term. N equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the values of a, n and d. Okay. Now after calculation 2 plus 5 minus 1 4. 4 into 8 32 and 32 plus 2 34 answer. Now next question. In an AP, A equal to 8, An equal to 62, Sn equal to 210. These are given. And you take out N and D. Okay. Now listen what I have given. N equal to 62 and break the N. Means write the general formula of nth term of an AP. Which is A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 62. A equal to 8 which is given in question plus n minus 1 into d equal to 62. Now 8 will come here as minus 8. Now n minus 1 into d equal to 62 minus 8 54. Now this is equation number 1 I have taken. Now again Sn equal to 210. Now break up Sn by using its formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 210. Now n by 2 bracket 2 into 8 plus in place of n minus 1 into d you write 54, which you have done in equation number 1. Okay, so I have written here 54 in place of n minus 1 into d. Look here, equation number 1. So 2 into 8 plus 54 equal to 210. Now n by 2 into 2. This 2 I have taken common among these two. 2 into 8, 2 is present, and 54 means 2 into 27. 54 means 2 into 27. So 2 I have taken common. So 8 plus 27 equal to 210. Now this 2 is cancelled. Now what remains? N. N into, after adding we will get 35 equal to 210. So n equal to 210 by 35, that is 6 answer. Now another question is D. So now put the value of n in equation number 1. That is n minus 1 into d equal to 54. We have got it in equation 1. Now put the value of n in this equation. N is 6. So n 6 minus 1 into d equal to 54. So d equal to 54 by 5. That is 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. Now next question. In an AP, AN means nth term is 4, D equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14. These are given. Now detect N and A. Okay. Now listen. N equal to 4, which is given, and break the N. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 4. Now A plus N minus 1, the value of D is given 2. So I have written here 2 equal to 4. Now A plus, break the bracket, A plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So A plus 2n, and this minus 2 will come here as plus 2, and 4 plus 2, 6. So A equal to 6 minus 2n. This is also equation number 1. Now again Sn equal to minus 14. It is given. The break up the formula of Sn. N by 2 into A plus N. This is one of the another formula of Sn. Listen. One of the formula of Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And another formula n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term means A, last term means an. Okay, equal to minus 14. Now n by 2, A equal to what we have got in equation 1, 6 minus 2n. So in place of A, I have written 6 minus 2n. Plus n, value of n is given in question 4. So I have written here 4 equal to minus 14. I have written here look. From equation 1, this value I have got that A equal to 6 minus 2n. Now n by 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 2n equal to minus 14. Now among 10 and 2n, you can take common 2 because 2 5 are 10 and 2n is also 2 into 2. So you take out with before bracket as common 2. So 5 minus n equal to minus 14. And these 2 cancel. So what remains? N. 5 minus n equal to minus 14. Now break the bracket. 5n minus n square equal to minus 14. Now this 5n and minus n square you bring to the right hand side. So it will be plus n square minus 5n and this minus 14 equal to 0. Now middle term factorization is used here. 1 and minus 14, you will get 14, and you split up 14 by two numbers whose product is 14 but addition or subtraction is 5. So 14 can be split up by 2 into 7 because 7 2s are 14 and 7 minus 2, 5. So I have used the number 7 and 2. n square minus, in bracket you write here because it is minus sign here, 7n minus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. Now break the bracket. N square minus 7n minus minus plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. Now take common between these two, that will be n. So n minus 7 plus n minus 7. I have taken 2 common and in bracket will be n minus 7 equal to 0. So n minus 7 is the common factor between these. So n minus 7 you write in one bracket and in other bracket n plus 2 equal to 0. And I am going to repeat the same thing, that if there are two factors n minus 7 and n plus 2. If we take n plus 2 equal to 0, this factor will be 0, then answer becomes n equal to minus 2, which is impossible because n is a natural number only. So no negative sign will be here. So it is not should be taken. I have taken only n minus 7 equal to 0 and n equal to 7. Okay. Now another question in this question, what is the value of a? A equal to 6 minus 2n, which we have got in the equation number 1. Now put the value of n. 6 minus 2 into 7, that is a equal to 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. Okay. Now come to the next question. In an AP, a equal to 3, n equal to 8 and s means Sn. Okay, s or sum of the n terms Sn is same thing, equal to 192, and detect the value of D. So Sn, I have written Sn here because s and Sn are same thing. Sn equal to 192. Now write the formula of Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 192. Now you put the values of d and n which is given in the question. So I have written here 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d equal to 192. 8 by 2 4 and 6, 2 3 are 6 plus 8 minus 1 7d equal to 192. 192 is divisible by 4 and get the answer 48. So I have directly divided in this way, and you should do in this way division. So 6 plus 7d equal to 48 because 48 into 4 192. Now 7d equal to 48 minus 6, that is 42, and d equal to 7 6 are 42. Okay. Now next question. In an APL, L means AN. Listen here. L means last term, or which can be written also AN equal to 28. S means SN equal to 144. N is given 9 and you take out A. So at first write the formula of Sn, which is Sn equal to 144 given. So formula of Sn is n by 2 into first term plus last term. I have told you that another formula also, n by 2 a plus n I have written before. An means L, and in this question in place of n it is given that L. So I have written here n by 2 a plus L equal to 144. This formula you also remember. N is 9, so 9 by 2, A is A, and L is 28, which is given equal to 144. Now listen, 9 and 144. 144 is divided by 9. So you divide 144 by 9 and get 16, because 16 into 9 144. So 9 will vanish and 1 by 2 a plus 28 equal to 16. Now a plus 28 equal to 2 into 16 32 by cross multiplication. So a equal to 32 minus 28 4. Okay.